you're 32 weeks old. 7.5 months. Getting so big. Play with so many toys. There you go. You want to get some more? There you go. Good job. You put it back on? Yeah, that doesn't usually work so well, hey? How's your cold doing? Wipe off your nose? Oh, yeah. That's real fun, hey? Really? I love that part of the story. Oh, God. Yeah. You want to play with some blocks? Should we make a tower? What do you think? Oh, you knocked it over. Good job. Should we build it again? Do you want to get him? Do you want to get it? Knock it over or grab it? There you go. Good job. You learning your numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There on this side. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we'll see you next time, everybody.